Hello everyone, my name is Mirat. I am an Atlas Corp scholar from Madagascar. My organizational affiliation is CFEM, which is also called Orange Pro League due to commercial reasons, and I am the CEO of this organization. We value diversity and inclusion in our workplace. Three social issues I am passionate about are youth leadership, youth development, and gender issues. A fun fact about me is that I've been part of the delegation of Madagascar during the 48th session of the Commission on Population and Development in New York, the United Nations headquarters, in April 2015. I was selected to be part of the delegation as a youth representative of Madagascar. The motivation for joining the VLI is that I would like to be part of this prestigious international network of young social change makers. And I believe that the Atlas Corp program could help me strengthen my leadership skills. Finally, during the institute, I'm ready to learn, to receive, and to share in order to get all the benefits that the program could afford me. And I feel so excited to start this adventure and looking forward to meeting all of you, at least virtually. See you. Bye bye.